Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and last week we did a backup gun match that was like the wild card, all of the James Bond pistols. And that was cool, but there was one significant Bond pistol that was missing from that lineup, and that is the Walther P99. So, since we are currently running the Kickstarter for Licensed Troubleshooter, The Guns of James Bond by Caleb Daniels, I figured it'd be appropriate to come to the bug match today and actually try out the P99. There's a couple of interesting elements to the P99. It's a double action, single action, striker fired pistol that, so if I cock it, I can set the trigger in, and I actually have a button decocker there. It's an interesting system. In double action, it has a long trigger pull. In single action, it has a kind of squishy, very light single action trigger with a really short reset. And I'm curious how that's going to handle on the stages here. So we're going to go find out. You should check out the Kickstarter campaign for Licensed Troubleshooter. Link is in the description text below. All right, this is just barely in backup gun category. So we're going to charge that and then decock it. That's ready to go.
All right, shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. I see clear. Dry fire.
And decocked.
All right, shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. All right, if you're finished, unload, show clear. I see clear. Range is safe.
Oh yeah. Now let's see if I actually made my paper hits.
10.
So that one's good. Shooting on the move, did I pull it off? Yes, center, that's 8 points, which is a full 7 score. Awesome.
It helps. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Okay, if you're finished, unload, show clear.
We actually got.
Time is 8.
So it was fast, but I ganked this one way low, so that's 1 point down. That one's good. This one, both shots pulled low, so that's only 4 out of 7.
Is that down? It's 3, right? That's
Same thing, way low, so that's 4 out of 7. This one I took the most time on, and I got nice clean hits. So, not great, but not terrible. That's the thing about this trigger. It's like, I need a lot more practice on this trigger.
All right, shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. I see clear. Drop it.
All right, let's see how we did.
Range is safe. 14.
Ah! That one didn't go down. Criminy, I thought I hit that. Shoot. All right, well, that sucks. But that's clean, and that's clean. Crap. I thought I hit it at least once.
I was not keeping track of your hits. I was watching you, so.
All right, well, that was embarrassing. That was an interesting little bit of visual exclusion. I was literally shooting right past that popper at a paper target and didn't notice that I didn't actually knock the popper down. I heard one ping and then ignored it. Anyway, I don't know my scores yet. You guys can see them on screen. I think I did pretty well overall with this. I thought this was really cool when I first took a look at it. The technology in it, the DASA striker with the decocker is pretty neat. This is a pistol that was ahead of its time in a lot of ways. It's the first pistol to actually have interchangeable back straps, which is kind of neat. In practice, I feel like I didn't use it nearly to the potential that it has. I think I'd need a fair amount of practice to really acclimate to the specifics of this trigger. I think if someone does that, they can be pretty darn effective with a P99, but that's not going to be me without a whole bunch of practice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you think the P99 is pretty cool, you've probably seen Pierce Brosnan using it, or possibly Daniel Craig using it in James Bond, and you might be interested in checking out our upcoming book, currently available on Kickstarter, Licensed Troubleshooter, The Guns of James Bond by Caleb Daniels. We have all sorts of cool stuff in it, from Bond's Beretta 25 to the PPK to the Golden Gun and so much more. So I have a link to that Kickstarter in the description text below. Check it out. Thanks for watching.